Hey everyone, welcome to Next Gen It Learning. Today I'm doing the impossible mastering MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in just 15 minutes. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or professional, this one video will level up your office skills fast. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Let's start with MS Word. Here's how to go from blank page to pro document. First, use templates. Go to File, then New, and search for Resume or Report. Templates save time. For formatting text, use styles under the Home tab to apply headings, titles, and body text formats in a snap. Need to organize info or illustrate a point? Click Insert, then Table, or Insert, then Pictures to add elements. Resize by dragging the corners. For headers, footers, and page numbers, go to Insert, then Header or Footer to add details. Page numbers are 2 clicks away. Don't forget, in the Review tab, spelling and grammar checks your work, and word count helps track your limits. Bonus tip. Girl+K adds hyperlinks in seconds. Now on to Excel, the king of data. Don't be afraid of formulas, I'll keep it simple. Start by entering data type names, dates, or numbers. Use the fill handle to drag and autofill. For basic math, type =sum, a 1A5 to total values. Try average, min, max, and if to add more power. Want to make your data pop? Highlight cells, then go to Home, Conditional Formatting for cool effects. To visualize your info, select your data, then insert and choose a chart bar, pie, or line. Sorting and filtering is easy. Use the filter icon in column headers, sort AZ or by numbers with a click. Bonus tip, freeze the top row with View, freeze panes for scrolling huge files. Finally, let's make presentations stand out with PowerPoint. Start strong, pick a modern template under Design Themes. This sets your fonts and colors. For different kinds of slides, go to Home, then Layout, and choose Title Slides, Content Slides, or more. Add images or videos from the Insert tab. Resize and use picture styles for a pro look. Transitions and animations add movement, but keep it subtle and only use what's essential. Present like a pro slideshow, then use Presenter View to see your notes while presenting. Bonus tip, Ctrl+M adds a new slide in a flash. Boom! You just went from beginner to pro in all 3 Microsoft Office tools. Which one do you want a deeper tutorial on? Comment below. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tech skills every week right here on Next Gen IT Learning.